Hey everyone, my name is Lexi Ostrand. I am a junior animal science pre-veterinary major with a leadership and entrepreneurship minor. I'm from Pender, Nebraska, which is a town of about 1,000 people, 2 hours straight north of Lincoln. And the reason I am taking this course is one, because of my leadership minor, and two, because I am very interested in the relationship between the leader and follower. I have taken a few leadership courses in the past, and this has been the main thing that has really interested me. The interesting concept or main concept that I pulled from this week's readings was surrounding intelligence, and then mainly the question of who decides what it means to be intelligent. When they were talking about this question, they listed how a lot of individuals described or defined intelligence very similarly to how we would critical thinking. And then the main point that I really pulled out of that discussion is how intelligence is not a fixed quantity, even though some scientists would like to argue that it is. If one can learn from their mistake, then I believe that they are becoming more intelligent. And the author actually said that we all have some sort of undeveloped potential, and I think I absolutely agree with that point. The organization that I am going to talk about is Nebraska Human Resources Institute, or NHRI. Through this organization, I have the opportunity to meet weekly with my junior counselor, Shannon, she is in that picture with me there. Every week I get to talk to her about her talents and strengths and how she can utilize those with her peers and in her various leadership positions. Um, and I kind of listed there that she has taught me more about myself than I've ever taught her. I will talk about her a lot if you are in my group, so just be ready for that. She is absolutely incredible. Also, be ready for to see her senior pictures because they are amazing. Um, and then my positions within NHRI, one is Shannon's senior counselor, and then I will also be co-chair for Teenage Project this coming up year. With NHRI, I like to credit it for a lot of my achievements throughout my undergrad. One being an ambassador position within my department, and the second being a new student enrollment orientation leader, which this is one of my favorite pictures from that internship this last summer. I met these students an hour before, basically trusting them to catch me, and I never would have ever even considered applying for an SC before I joined NHRI, and so that's my little credit or plug-in for NHRI. Thank you for pushing me past my limits. And then to end, I'm going to talk about my interesting fact, which is that I breed and show lambs. This is Henry. He's our little ram lamb. He's kind of a baby. You can't leave the pen without petting him. So, and also I show pigs. So you'll hear me talk about that a lot. You'll see pictures of my livestock here and there. So be ready for that. I look forward to working with my group and watching everyone's videos. So excited for this semester.